Hi, my name is Sarah Vance with Rebalance Life. Our blender gets a workout pretty much every day. I'm going to show you one of our favorite superfood smoothies. So let's just call this one the kitchen sink smoothie because it's got a little bit of everything in it. I've got some blackberries, some banana. I've got pomegranate juice that I've got also coconut water in this, so it's about a 1/4 cup of each. And I've got an orange and some peaches and a little bit of protein powder, chia seed, and just a pinch of pink Himalayan sea salt. So let's start by putting that pomegranate with a little bit of coconut water in there. I'm going to put my chia seed in there, and if you can let that chia seed sit there for a few minutes, it'll soak up that liquid and get a little bit softer, so you'll have less of that texture in there. And then this adds vitamin C, it adds fiber when you put the whole orange in as opposed to the orange juice. And if you've got a nice powerful blender, it'll get rid of all that texture for you. We're going to just put some fresh peaches in there. It's peach season, so they're really delicious right now. And then these blackberries, I've got frozen blackberries. When you add in frozen fruit, it really thickens up your smoothie, especially frozen bananas. Those add a lot of creaminess, while it also adds fiber and potassium and all kinds of goodness. I'm going to just put that pinch of the pink Himalayan salt. You never want to put too much in there, or you don't want a salty smoothie. You just want to enhance those flavors a little bit. So start with a little bit less and work your way to where it's just perfect. Put a little bit of that protein powder. And we're just going to put our lid on there, and let's blend it up. If you want it a little thicker, we could just add a little bit of ice. Let's throw a couple ice cubes in there. It's pretty hot out today. Before I pour it, I always take a quick little taste, see how everything came together. That's really good. It could use just a touch of sweetness, and I always like to just add that at the last minute. Make sure all those good fruit flavors and everything came through. You could even put a little spinach in this. Because of the dark colored berry, you wouldn't even know it's in there. There you have it. Anytime you want to make your smoothie thicker, just add a little bit less liquid. Anytime you want it a little bit thinner, add more. You could even thicken with ice, with another slice of banana, and there you have it. An antioxidant rich and delicious smoothie.